swimmer and surfing champion. I'd usually be trained in the water, but when I'm on land there's a few exercises that I do to keep active, and let me show you one of them. All you need for this activity is a piece of chalk and a pavement, and what we're going to do is, first of all, draw a surfboard. And then what you want to do is draw a line down the centre of the board. So this is how you do a pop-up. So you want to put your hands where you're just below your chest, under your shoulders like this. Push up slightly, and then pop up. And then you want to keep play like this. Okay, so we'll try that again. Put your hands where your chest, feet just off the end of the board. Pop up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you give it a go.